Hey everyone, wrap day here for the sled. So you can see I got the sled all cleaned up, got all the decals peeled off, used some goo gone, got rid of all the old glue, and then used some rubbing alcohol just to clean everything and get it all prepped up. I've got a deviant ink wrap hanging behind me, thanks to those guys for helping me out. You might be thinking a wrap, probably not usually part of the budget build, but you'd be surprised actually. Deviant Ink got me this one. It just covers the hood and the tank. So it's going to clean up all those old stickers, make the sled almost look new again, which is really going to help my resale value. And just doing the front was super affordable actually. It was cheaper than replacing this panel. If you go on their website, you can check them out. They do a bunch of deals early in the season. You can really get it for a good price. So great way to freshen up the sled and then make it easier to sell when you're going to get rid of it. Also protects it a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to get started on this. It's a little intimidating hanging on the wall, but piece by piece we'll get it done. Okay, I think the hardest part about the wrap is just picking a piece to start with and committing to get it done. So I got my piece picked out. I'm going to start right on the front. Hopefully it's the right decision. I've got it taped down. So what I'm going to do is peel the backing off and stick this side down. And while that's stuck, I should be able to do this side afterwards. That's the recommended way they do in the videos, so let's give it a try. Actually quite surprised how thick this vinyl is. So this middle piece with the BRP circle was pretty easy choice as far as getting the paper off. Okay, I think I got it where I wanted it, so let's try the second half. Down. There we go. Hard part's done. The first piece is in place. I think I got it where I wanted. It looks good, so I'll just continue on and I'll kind of keep you updated. I can't wait to see what it turns out, what it looks like. Stick with me. So one tip I've noticed already is once you cut out the pieces, if you peel back the outside sticker that's going to get thrown away from it, and it makes it really easy to cut close to the edge and you can get a pretty precise cut around it. Makes it a lot easier to place once you get it on there. Here we go, the final product. I think it turned out really good. You can see I just did the front end, left the whole back, but I picked colors that I think blend in really well and I think the sled looks really sharp. This was a super big task though. Probably took me 10 or 12 hours to install this. Really tedious. Just make sure you got lots of time to really go through and take the time to put the pieces in. Yeah, so super happy. Looks great. Should help my resale and yeah, covered up some of those old panels and got into it really cheap. So stoked to have the sled running for the season. So hope to see you guys out on the mountain.